Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today is Tuesday, January 6th. What's going on forexfactory.com? You can see that the ton of numbers out of Europe, all PMI. And at 9:45, we have final services PMI for the US. At 2 p.m., we have President Trump speaking, which is a orange item. At 4:30, we have API weekly statistical bulletin. So 9:45, be aware there is a yellow number. It's not a major number. 2 p.m., Trump will speak. Obviously, need to adjust for that. And that's all we've got to say about that. Looking at the chart, we had an update yesterday. Unfortunately, I was really hoping we would see volume at least as good as Monday, but that was, or I should say Friday, yeah. But that was not what we saw. So less volume than Friday, which is unfortunate. Would really like to see volume pick up back to, pre-holiday numbers. Would be very welcome in this market. Still chopping sideways, have nothing to say here. We are above. We keep rotating above and below the moving averages. Once we're above the moving averages, it's obvious that we're in a bull market. Yeah, it doesn't feel that way, but long term above the moving averages. So yes, bull market. Intermediate term is definitely sideways, and I'm going to even say that short term is basically sideways as well. Where can we go? Retest that high, 69.95. Maybe retest the low from last Friday, 68.65. That's kind of where we're in. We're in this band of nothing going sideways. Moving on. Looking at inventory was positive on positive price action. Nothing to even talk about there. Moving on again. Overnight action, approximately 27 points from high to low. Remember that average is about 22 to 25, so we're very close to average. Again, just nothing really jumping out at you. It's particularly interesting. Where do we have intraday support and resistance? We've got some resistance above price here at 69.53. A little bit of confluence around 69.64. Just scrunch it down a little bit. 69.80, 69.90, of course, 7,000. So once again, we're stuck between 7,000 and 6,900. Support, on the other hand, we've got 69.27, 69.20, 69.10. 6,900 is got some confluence there. Yeah, it's above 7,000. Looks really enticing on the long side. Below 6,900, it looks like we could definitely rotate back down and maybe break that sideways action. So we'll just have to wait and see. Stock Trader's Almanac for today is 52.4. 52.4. Yeah, positive bias. We'll see what happens. Hope you guys have a great day. We'll see you tomorrow. Happy trading. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com.